Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to watch members-only videos on YouTube. YouTube's members-only videos are exclusive to channel subscribers who paid for access. However, there are a few safe and legal ways to view them, and here's how. The first method is using YouTube membership free trial. Some creators offer a free trial membership, usually lasting 1 to 7 days. Go to the creator's YouTube channel and click the Join button. If it's a free trial is available, it will appear before confirming your payment. Enter your payment info and you won't be charged if you cancel before trial ends. Once activated, you can enjoy full access to members-only videos during your trial. The second method is to check for public re-uploads. Some users may repost members-only content elsewhere online. This isn't guaranteed and often non-official. Just search for Google or YouTube for channel name plus members-only video title or channel name then members archive. Browse results on platforms like Dailymotion, Vimeo or other sites. Just a warning, quality may be low, re-uploads might be removed for copyright and avoid suspicious or illegal sites. And the third method, with a friend. If a friend already has a YouTube membership, you can watch together on their device or log in into your account with their permission only. And now you've learned the safe and legal ways to access or preview member-only videos on YouTube. Always respect creators' content and follow YouTube's terms of service. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.